Question nong 1. What is the oldest language in the world? Option A, B, C. Question nong 2. What is the oldest country in the world? Option A, B, C. Next question. Question nong 3. Which country has the largest population in the world? Option A, B, C. Next question 4. What is the most populated country in the world? Option A, B, C. Question nong 5. Which country has no official language? Option A, Mexico. Option B, USA. Option C, Canada. Question nong 6. Which currency has the highest value in the world? Option A, B, C. Next question. Question nong 7. What is the longest river in the world? Option A, B, C. Question nong 8. What is the smallest country in the world? Option A, B, C. Question nong 9. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Option A, B, C. Question nong at last. Question nong 10. Which country invented paper? Which country invented paper? Option A, B, C. Please your comment